I bumped the record button, sorry. This thing is really sensitive. Heavy rain started to fall. Uh-oh. Oh. As long as we get no tornado warning. Uh-oh. Here comes the rain. I'm gonna go see what's the warning about. That was a good one. There was allegedly a tornado with one of these supercells. You can hear the wind fall. You hear the wind blowing, the snow is falling. God, the rain is falling. Let's go out to the porch. The door on the porch is damaged again. We were trying to cook some stuff on the grill. We thought it was, there wasn't much ice, but it turns out there was, so. Oh my God. Holy crap, the backyard is underwater. No way. There's the water. As you can hear the water, that's the water right there. Right there. Let's get a good lightning flash, you can see it. The common area is half underwater, holy crap. See my neighbor's house. Not too much action. Oh. Okay, I got another chime. Oh, we got a train horn. As you can see, there's the damage. Lots of rain right now. I'm just waiting for I'm hoping we don't get any tornadic stuff. Tornado. Oh God! That was right overhead. See how loud it is? Huh? Not bad for what I was expecting. It's a little loud. Not too loud. Came over from this general facility, so we're gonna move the camera over and get a nice zoom out look. See all the houses. No, wait. I want to turn it up, not down. Larger than pea-sized hail. Nothing yet. There we go. So if it gets good airplane action. See how far this thing can zoom and focus in. Focus. Oh wow, that's really good focus. Dang. Looks like the storm is dying down as the temperatures begin to decrease. It was 61 when we started the video. The first series, I don't know exactly. Hey, you can see my reflection. Can you see me? Yep, there I am. Whoa! Hello, lightning. Oh, that was a good one. Let's see, how warm is it? My iPod and the TV are kind of off a little bit. There's the current temperature, kind of same as when I first started the video series. You'll see that video. My mom came out to tell me to come back inside because she was going up to bed at the very end. And she didn't want me out here, which is understandable. We're getting some lightning, so let's see if we can see the flood. Oh, Hamilton County, that's where my grandma lives. There goes the email. Ooh, there goes the car. There have been several times where we've had severe weather where we've had police patrol cars coming through the neighborhood. During the when I was watching a bit of the NASCAR thing, I heard there was in Brown County there was power outages. Whoa! What a flash! Listen to the rain. It's coming down. Man, do I have night vision on this thing? No, I do not. Oh well. Who needs night vision when there's lightning? Getting a lot of good lightning strikes, which is good. I just hope no houses get hit. Okay, here comes the wind. There's the wind. As it hits the snow. Look at all that. They're the Barking Brothers' house. Let's see if they're at the door. Nope. The Barking Brothers are inside, probably hunkered down. Man, there's a lot of action on the scanner tonight. Crap, I'm running out of video space on this thing. Whoa! Big wind gust. Big wind gust. Look at the trees. Oh, hang on. The neighbors just turned on the security light. The camera's trying to... My camera has a face sensor on it's built in. When I zoomed it in like that, it started, like a bunch of things started popping in. So the raindrops are censoring as faces. The wind is blowing really hard. Holy crap. Let's look into the neighbor's house. I don't want to look in exactly. Can you see the wind blowing? Look at the screen is popping up. With orange squares, even when it's zooming out. Holy crap. Man, the wind is really coming down. Let's see if we can get to... Let's turn on the flash. Oh, roof damage. We got roof damage. First report of damage.
No, you said roof damage. Roof damage, where was that? Also in the city of Tipton. Okay, northeast, west, south side.
There you can see a little bit of the rain.
Kind of the west side. It was on 4th Street.
Man, what a storm.
A few minutes old.